Ledger. The ledger is another book of accounts used to record business transactions and events. It is considered as the book of the final entry. The ledger basically acts as an accounting tool that accumulates all the necessary information prior to the preparation of the financial statements. The ledger appears like a capital letter T. It has two sides, namely the debit side and the credit side. Both sides, however, consist of the same columns, which are as follows. Number 1, date. Number 2, particulars. Number 3, folio or post reference. And the last one is the amount. The account title of the ledger is written at the center. On the rightmost side is the page number of the ledger. Each account title must have a separate ledger.
Posting. The following procedures should be observed in posting in the ledger. Step 1. Check the completeness and arrangement of the ledger. All the accounts appearing on the chart of accounts must have a ledger. A chart of account is a list of account titles adapted by a business to organize the recording process and segregate accounting values into assets, liabilities, capital, income, and expense. In case no chart of account is provided, all the account titles used in journalizing must have a ledger. Arrange the ledger in accordance with the listing appearing on the chart of the accounts. Otherwise, arrange the ledger in the following order: assets, liabilities, capital, income, and expense. Step 2. Label the different sections of the ledger properly. The account title must be centered at the top of the page. Indicate the page number at the rightmost side in line with the account title. Write the year and the month only once on both the debit and credit sides.
Step 3. Start the posting process with the first debit entry found in a journal. In posting the debit entry, observe the following procedures. A. Transfer the date first, followed by the amount. B. Indicate in the folio column of the ledger the page number of the journal. C. Indicate the folio column of the general journal the page number of the ledger. D. Make a brief explanation in the particulars column of the ledger. This is optional. Step 4. Repeat all the procedures in Step 3 for the credit entry. Step 5. Repeat Step 3 and 4 in the next entry in the journal until the entries are completely posted. Remember that posting is usually made at the end of the month after recording the last transaction.
Illustration in posting. Figure 7.1.4 illustrate posting using the first three transactions of Modern Laundry Center. It shows the transfer of information involving cash account in the general journal to the ledger and the cross-referencing procedure. The different arrows point out the process of posting and cross-referencing. The dates and the amounts are transferred to the proper side of the ledger depending upon their position in the journal. If the dates and amounts are debited in the journal, they are transferred to the debit side of the ledger. If the information is credited in the journal, it is transferred to the credit side of the ledger.
Putting the account. After all the entries have been posted, the next bookkeeping procedure is to put the account. Putting is the process of adding the debit and credit money columns of the ledger and finding their balances. The following procedure should be observed in footing the ledger. 1. If an account has a debit balance, that is, the debit total is higher than the credit total, the difference is placed in the particulars column of the debit side. Number 2. If the account has a credit balance, that is, the credit total is bigger than the debit total, the difference is placed in the particulars column of the credit side. 3. If there is only one entry on any side of an account in the ledger, no footing is done and the entry is simply left open.
Can we observe that the difference between the debit and the credit, 95,300 minus 29,300, is placed on the side that has a greater amount. In case the credit amount is higher than the debit amount, the difference will be placed on the credit side. The amount presenting the difference will be used in the next bookkeeping procedure. The following is a review of the bookkeeping procedures that have already been discussed at this point. Number 1. Arrange and file in chronological order all the business documents that serves as evidence of the transaction. The sources of the entries in the general journal are the different business documents.
Record daily the business transactions in the two-column general journal by observing the chronological occurrence of the events as reflected in the business documents and the principle of debit and credit, which dictates that for every value received, there must be a corresponding value parted with of equal amount.
Number 3. Transfer or post all the entries in the general journal to the ledger at the end of the month without changing any information. This means that all of the information in the ledger are sourced from the general journal. Number 4. After the posting process has been completed, put or add the amounts of all debit and credit in the ledger by observing the